Hey, this is Casey. I am one mellow marigold. I am also one dirty, sweaty, hot marigold. It's insanely hot today. This is just what gardening looks like for me. Yeah, I look awful. It's okay. I don't care. You don't care. It's all good. So this morning I put in a new stock tank, a new planter up in the front yard, and I put my elderberry bushes in it. I had just nabbed those at the nursery. I have it was totally an impulse buy. I've been thinking about elderberries for a while, and a friend of mine put the bug in my head, and here we are. I've got 2 elderberry bushes. So I'm going to take you step by step through how I prep the planter and how I get those babies in there. Did a little mulch, a little watering, and they're off to go in their happy little home. So I hope this is helpful. I hope you enjoy, and I'll give you an update as they grow. Talk to you later. Love you guys. Bye.
If you'll be using a galvanized stock tank like me, you're going to need to make sure that the drill bit you use is rated for metal. And you'll see that on the packaging. Generally the drill bits are going to be made of titanium, and they might be like gold in color like mine, or they might be all black. But it needs to be able to go through metal. That's really important, otherwise it'll break off. You're also going to notice when I am drilling the first couple of holes, my hand kind of wobbles a little bit, and it might even look like I'm pressing down. And that's because I am, and it is. You are putting a drill bit through steel. And that is a really hard surface, and it's going to take a minute for that drill bit to start carving away at the metal to make that hole. So it's going to make a little noise. It is going to be maybe a little bit bumpy, and just do your best. It's going to be okay. You're not breaking anything. Big tanks like this take a lot of dirt to fill, and if you were only using potting mix to fill a tank like this, it would probably take you at least 6 bags or so. So what you can use instead is yard waste. I would recommend not weeds, that type of yard waste, but as you'll see here, I am using trimmings from my bushes. So just woody, leafy material. It's going to allow for a little bit more drainage, and all of that material is going to just eventually break down anyway. So it's a great way to cheaply use the resources you have. As I pull off the container, you're going to notice that this elderberry plant is root bound. That just means that it stayed at the nursery just a little bit too long in just a little bit too small of a pot. The roots are very white and healthy, but you can tell they're all really compact around the plant. Before we plant this, I'm going to gently squeeze and just sort of massage the roots a little bit. I don't want to break them. I don't want to be aggressive. I want to be really gentle. But if we don't loosen up those roots a little bit, they're never going to expand into their new surrounding soil. So we're just being careful. We're going to be gentle, and you're going to just try to gently sort of loosen up that root ball before it gets firmly planted.